Hello, my name is Jacob. I am the Information Services Coordinator here at the Marengo-Union Library District. And today, we're going to talk about origami. So, to start this project, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a glue stick. You're going to need at least one marker. A Sharpie is nice, but so long as you got something that does blue, and maybe also want something that does black. You also need a white crayon, marker, or pencil. I understand those are hard to come by, but it's what this thing calls for. Lastly, you're going to need scissors. These are your supplies. We will provide you with some of these. So, what's in the bag? We got 2 green papers, 2 black papers, 2 dark brown papers, 2 light brown papers, and 2 white papers. Why 2? Well, I find that the first time I do anything with origami, it always stinks. So, we're going to include 2 so you get a second chance. Let's start with Yoda. We've got a green paper. We want it to be the wide side. We're going to fold it about in thirds this way. Here's your first fold. We're going to fold it the rest of the way the other way. Now it looks like this, and it's a little jacket, and you can open it up, you can close it up, and this is how it is. Now we're going to take this corner, and we're going to fold it as far over as we can. We want to make it almost all the way down, like so. And then we're going to switch the side that the jacket's on, and we're going to take the other side, and we're going to fold it almost all the way down. And it looks like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, because Yoda's ears are kind of scruffy. It's fine that they are scruffy. Then we're going to take it, and we're going to fold it so that we got about a third of the distance. So his head takes up 2/3 of his body, and his feet take up another third. And this is Yoda. Now, Yoda has a face. So we want to draw a Yoda face. See, there's Yoda, there's his face. And we stick our fingers up there. Now we have a little Yoda hand puppet. We can give sage advice if you have any to give. But Yoda needs somebody to fight, because this is Star Wars, and therefore we need wars in the stars. So we take this black paper, and we're going to make Darth paper. We need to start so it's tall, not wide, because Darth Vader is tall. We're going to do basically the same thing as before. We're going to fold it roughly into thirds. Fold it this way, roughly into thirds. Now he's tall and narrow. Hard to see because it's black, but tall and narrow. Then we're going to take his corner. And with Yoda, we wanted big honking ears. With Darth Vader, we just want the little pointy thing on his helmet. So we're going to take the corner, and we're going to fold it like so. You see how this is folded just a little bit over. Then we're going to switch the side of the jacket, and we're going to fold it just a little bit over and try to make it symmetrical. Then we're going to fold it down. Okay. And I think I made his helmet too big. So the thing about origami is you can usually get away with doing it over a couple of times, and eventually you run out of folds on the paper. So I'm going to fold that corner over again. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to fold it down. Okay. Did not turn out the way that the others did, but that's okay. We have the Darth Vader body. So then we're going to take our white utensil. We're going to draw big, and we got to draw a box because he's got a little control panel. And there is Darth Vader. And now he and Yoda could fight to the death. Gah! But Yoda has friends. One of Yoda's friends is Chewbacca. So we are going to take one of our brown pieces of paper and we're going to make a fortune Wookiee out of it. So, gonna go like so and fold it in half, and then you're gonna fold it in half again, and then we're gonna unfold it. Now we've got folds with which to use as guidelines. We're gonna take the corners and we're gonna fold them in to meet the folds on the paper. And on this one in particular, we kind of want to be exact because if it's not quite exact, we're going to have a hard time with it. So we folded all the corners in, and I wasn't very exact, but I'm going fast. Then we turn it over, and we fold the corners in again. Now you probably know what I'm doing. I'm making the little fortune-telling thing where you go with your fingers. And that's kind of what it is. All right. So it's folded in half two ways. Now we're going to fold it in half this way. We're going to, we fold it in half this way so that the complex fold side goes inside the fold. Then we're going to take 4 fingers and we're going to stick them inside the flaps, and we're going to pop it out and make a crease. And now we have a little fortune Wookiee. But he's not much of a Wookiee. Wookiees are shaggy. Wookiees have eyes and fur. So I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to do a little snipple snaps. Okay, snipple snaps there. He needs to get his bottom fur a little bit shaggy. I'm just gonna make it nice and shaggy, uneven, like a Wookiee's fur. Okay, now we are going to take the other color of paper and we're going to cut it in half, and we're gonna be like, okay, so we want it to attach like so. So we only need this much paper, and you gotta cut out a wedge of paper that's about the right size. And we make this shaggy too, because this is the Wookiee's other piece of fur. Then we're going to take our glue stick, put some glue on that. That's not quite sticky enough. Put some glue on that. Yeah, there we go. And then we're going to give him nice, big, foofy eyebrows. All right. Well, he's got 2 eyebrows, so we gotta give him 2 shaggy Wookiee eyebrows. Let's do that. Okay. And let's get some glue stick in here. Yeah. See, this is definitely the most complicated of the projects I've got for you. All right, now he's got shaggy fur. but he needs eyes. Well, uh-oh, his eyebrow fell off. Guess I need more glue on that. That might be enough glue. All right, that's that. Now, last but not least, Wookiees have eyes. This Wookiee doesn't have eyes. So we're going to take a white sheet of paper and we're going to cut, and I like to use the corners for these. And I'm gonna round out a corner. And I'm gonna take another corner, round it out. Now I've got 2 eyes. I'm gonna take my blue marker and I'm going to draw pupils on the eyes. I'm going to throw my eye on the floor. Now I'm going to glue my eye a little bit. And I'm gonna put them on the Wookiee. Gonna put a blue pupil on the eye. Oh, I got enough glue around that everything's getting sticky. I'm gonna put it on the pupil. Put it on the Wookiee. And now we have a very scruffy Fortune Wookiee. This did not turn out very well at all. I think I should have made the paper a little bit bigger. All right, well, that is how to make Origami Yoda. I think he turned out the best. Origami Darth Vader, he's okay. And a Fortune Wookiee, which, man, you're ugly. All right. You can ask for these craft kits behind the circulation desk, and they'll be available until the end of the week. Thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.